channel, everyone. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my version of Sunday barbecue. I will be doing some jerk chicken, bit of Mici on the grill, and jerk pork, which are already seasoned. Sit back, relax, enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, definitely leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. So this here is a pork shoulder, and it's marinated with some like jerk season, and that's a jerk chicken. They both marinate with the same marinade. Yeah, so normally when you marinate, let it marinate for about 24 hours. This is me. Just have some jerk chicken on the grill, and I will be showing you how I made the fire up and different process how I do to make my barbecue. And this video is of any help to you guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment, and enjoy this video. So here I have some Mici. They're made by my wife. They're Romanian Mici. They're lovely, and we're gonna grill it also. So that's what we do sometimes on a Sunday. Just make a lovely family Sunday grill or barbecue, whatever you want to call it. So me, I'm using my old-fashioned grill. I'm using some coal, and also I'll mix it with a bit of wood. You know, if anyone don't know, coal is from wood, so I mix a bit of coal, bits of wood, and I'll be using a little bit of fire lighter, and then I'll be using a little bit of spirit over to light it, to get it going. So what I'm doing here now, guys, after one side is cooked, I normally put it on a lower side. So the left side I normally use it for like the lower one. So now I'll be putting the pork on. So this is it's a jerk pork, and the marinade on it is a jerk marinade. But I'm using sliced pork shoulder, which make it easier to cook. But also it's personal preference. But when you cut it thin like this, after you finish, they're gonna be very tender, tasty, and easier to eat. So now I'm adding the jerk chicken. Normally, jerk chicken on the bone tastes good. Both of them, boneless or without the bone, with the bone or without, tastes lovely. The difference is with the bone take longer to cook. That's why sometimes if I'm doing event or I'm on the truck, I use boneless because for some reason without the bone it hold the taste a bit better. That's what I find out. And also it save time. It cook a bit faster. So the Mitch is ready, so I'm gonna take them off now. They're all done. Lovely. So I'm just turning these, and these they don't take long to cook. Sometimes, because normally when I'm doing jerk pork, I don't use the pork with the bone because for me it's doesn't make any sense. And if you notice, when you're doing grill using the coal or wood, try don't put too much underneath it. Otherwise, the food will scorch. So underneath the grill, I don't put too much wood with coal underneath it, and I always put it on low, like very low ones, because the underside here it have a gauge. You can lift it higher or lower because you need it to cook slowly instead of too quick. Yeah. So what I'm doing now, as I said, I normally put the meat when they're actually done. Just put them over to the left side, and the heat that in it plus the small amount of heat that catching it on the left side, um, it will finish cook slowly and get tender. So what I'm doing here, just have a bit of marinade which I have, and so I just dip the chicken in it just to give it another extra coat of flavor and also a lovely color over it. All of this is personal preference, but when you do it like this, you will definitely notice the taste and you'll enjoy it more. If you notice, look at the color already. So these here, there are some Mici, but they're just in different shape. They're a little bit longer from the other one. So these are finished now. So here we have some salad. That's salad of vinete. That one is potato salad, and that's a midge there. So we're just gonna have family dinner, sit down and enjoy it. Here is some garlic potato made by Dana. This is just a preview of the video. I'm just showing how it look. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment.